Public hot spring? Private hot spring? Private room. Public, I think it's everyone. Hot spring is yourself.
Have to wait until 4:30.
What time is it now?
Right now it's 3.
An hour.
Yeah.
No, do you do the public then?
Yeah.
Private. What's different private hot spring?
How about this one?
This one you don't need to wait.
Okay.
We're gonna
Go
do that.
inside now.
Oh, we can do that one
do
then.
that one then, yeah. This one's just us, isn't it? But this one's everyone. Yeah.
This one has hot spring pool, jacuzzi, hot cold water, sauna, steam room, shower area, resting area, free lockers, toiletries are provided. Monday to Friday, 580. So that's what we're doing. So we went into the public bathhouse, the hot springs, and pretty much you have to be naked. And we changed our mind. So we're now going to a private bathhouse, which is for 2, and we have to wait till 4:30, so about an hour's wait for that room to be available, because that one I can film, that room we can do whatever, we can wear bathing suits, it's our room. So now we're just going to get something to eat or look around and kill time for an hour till we go back into the hot springs. So this is the private room. You're going to the elevator, and he said it's on the 6th floor.
Yeah.
Private hot spring.
What room did you say?
6 something.
656.
There's also accommodations on the same floor. There is all accommodations. Hot springs here to private on the 5th floor. Accommodations. Number 2 is all like meeting rooms and other rooms on restaurants. Number 1 is public bath and the lobby. So when you come out of the elevator, you see this. So I found this, and I think that is the plug. What happens at the turn? Huh?
It is a pipe to the end of the bathroom when it is advised to enter a bath, the bath is complicated, or we can enter something or after I think you will.
There you go. Choose to go in the cold one, or you can choose to go in the hot one if you want. So the public bathhouse is a shed one, so you can't record, and you have to wash your body and then be naked the whole time to get to the hot springs. But because we have a private room, we can do whatever we want, and we have to wash up, and then we can go in our bikini and get into the water. Whereas the other one, you have to be totally nude. So I like this one better. So in this box we have here body lotion, bath gel. This is conditioner, and this one is shampoo. They also gave us a bunch of towels, probably a hand towel, head towel. It also comes with a hair tie and a shower cap. And this one says Nongpong International. Another Nongpong International. And this one is a hair comb. And the last thing they gave us, the same brand, it's just some cotton tips. I leave that there. That's it. So I was in the cold one before, and now I went into the hot one. But it's not as hot because my body's used to the cold temperature, so this is supposed to be extremely hot, but it's fine. It gives you a fat stomach. So the interior of this private bath is not so great. It looks more for a public bathhouse because before when we were in the public bathhouse, the interior looks a lot more nicer than this. The place is really nice here. It's really private, quiet, and relaxing. With the hot springs, we got a free coffee and cake, and this is the cake that they gave us. You couldn't choose the cake, but you get to choose between orange juice, green tea, black tea, and something else. But this is the cake. Very thin. Thin. It feels very light. What's the inside? Because it's not heavy yet.
It's thick and heavy. It's really heavy.
There you go. Need some hydration to go with this or some green tea. So really easy here. That is nice though. This is our view outside. Pretty nice. No. Cane. I think it's freshly squeezed juice because I see like juice particles in it.